people who don't know, I cut my hair. Alright, first up, my nails. They are not top nails. They cannot remove now my hair. Guys, this is real. I can't take it off. Look. So I done this because I finally hit 80 subscribers again. Like, what? Thank you guys so much for the support. I'm not crying, okay? Thank you guys for the support. I am really happy of you guys for the love and support. I wish you all to be happy and get famous in the future.